Hey everyone! According to the Bible, the Lord commanded Noah to build an ark to save his family and every kind of animal from a catastrophic flood. When the floodwaters destroyed the wicked and all living creatures on land, only those in the ark survived. Once the waters receded, Noah and his crew exited the ark, and life began anew. Fast forward to 1973. This is Mount Ararat, modern-day Turkey. This mountain has been the prime target for Noah's Ark searches. United States satellites captured an unusual image from Mount Ararat. It showed an ark-like structure on the mountain's peak. Naturally, Christian believers were thrilled and began investigating the area. But here's the kicker. There are serious issues with this being Noah's Ark.
The size of this so-called ship was 309 meters. That's comparable in size to the Titanic, the Bismarck, and even a modern US aircraft carrier. So we used a computer algorithm to calculate how long it would have taken for a man in those times to build a ship this size by himself. And the answer was 93 years. In other words, this could not have been built by a single man, or this was not a shipwreck at all. To resolve the inconsistencies, I traveled to the south of Ararat to a location where a Turkish pilot had spotted an unusual sight. And then books were written about it. On my cameras, this looks like the landing site of a ship, perhaps thousands of years ago. Could this turn me into a believer? This is it. That ship is smaller. It could have been built by a single man. There's enough room to fit all types of farm animals. That ship could have saved the human race. Archaeologists investigated this area for several decades, but they could not find any evidence of ancient DNA or wood. All they found was rock and soil, and the conclusion was that this was a natural geological formation. It was created after several earthquakes. And these types of geological anomalies are not uncommon in the world. Let's look at some examples. My search for Noah's Ark has reached a dead end, and I'm going back home empty-handed. Thank you for watching.